This is a timber kit that will be shipped locally here. So we will be installing this along with the 2x6 tongue and groove decking that'll go on top of all of the timbers. This here is a tenon, and if we look, we can see the label mark. This tells us that the arrow is pointing to the outside as opposed to the inside of the building. We have an L here showing the left side. We also are seeing an L3 showing the L3 joint. And if we look on the other end of this truss, an R3.